Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be unboxing BJD from Charles Creature Cabinet, and Charles is a great artist, one of my favorite artists, and he also lives in the Netherlands just like me, so I have been able to meet him a couple of times. I'm really very excited about her. The doll is Noanie, if I'm not mistaken, and there is a special story about her, and I will try to post that as well in this video. She is made in memory of his late sister, so as you may imagine, it's a very special doll. Now, the dolls from Charles Creature Cabinet are always, or almost always, really small, so that's why I have a different setup from usual, so hopefully you can see some more details. This is the wrap she comes in, and this is her COA. And it's number 3, and this is a little note from Charles. Then here are her goggles and her eyes, and a little decal. Charles also has very yummy chocolate bonbons, chocolates, yeah, well, chocolates. So, and chocolate pickies are really delicious. And this little heart, and a little candy. So that's all great. Now let's see, here she comes. It's exciting. I don't think I have a doll in this size. I think I was a bit out of focus, but I haven't been unwrapping much, so let's see what she's going to look like. Let me see, where is this one going? Yes, there we go. So, here we are. Oh wow, look at that face, look at her, isn't she cute? Okay, I'm going to see if I can put in her eyes, and I'll get back to you when she's ready. So I'm back, and Noanie has her eyes in. As you can see, she has a little beauty spot here. She's really cute. I don't have a wig for her yet, and I don't have an outfit for her yet. She does have joints at her hips and at her knees, and also at her ankles, and at her wrists and her elbows and her shoulders, and there's also a joint close to her waist. She does have orange glow in the dark wings, I think, and she has these goggles, and I always struggle putting them on, so I will just show you like this. I have to be careful a bit here because I don't want to mess up the face up, and I don't want to ruin her lashes either. But this is what they look like. Now I'm going to read a story about Noanie for Joan. Noanie Autumn is Charles' very dear and personal project as a tribute to his late sister Joan. Sadly, Joan Stefan passed away in the fall of 2005 at the age of 39. She is still missed dearly by her family and friends. Joan was the firstborn of 4 children of Yoshi and Anton Stefan, a sister of Linda, Leslie and Charles, a sweet and wonderful aunt of Larissa and Kimberly, and last but certainly not least, a loving mother of Jeremiah and Selena. She was also an artist, writer, painter, sculptor. She started working with Charles on a special fairy tale, The Whispering Woods, for their own children years ago, which due to Joan's sudden parting, they never got to finish. Joan was also a big fan of fairies, fantasy and dolls. A few years after her parting our world, Charles found a way of working in honor of her memory with his woodling fairies. Now with this unique offering, Noanie Autumn, the woodling fairy is the ultimate tribute to her and to Joan's joy of and love for life. So that's about Noanie. So no need to say, she's really very special and very dear to Charles' heart, and we can all imagine how that must be, I guess. So I don't have a doll of this size yet, so I will have to see what type of outfit I can find for her or make for her. And I will get back to you when I can show you more of her. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.